Insane trade today that gave 500-600% profit on the options and almost $25 on the short side. So this was our Tesla short today. So plan was pretty simple, guys. Tesla sales struggling in China and USB lowered the profit target. So we had the downgrade on Tesla. So bearish bias. 250 was a big level. I clearly told every trader in the community before even the move came. No long under that. So nobody was long on Tesla. Under 250, there was simply no long. As soon as the market opened, I told everybody on Tesla to short it. When I saw this cloud reject, I said short. 246 was my first target. And we had our stops at 250. Our stops were pretty easy. 250 big level. We're using our book map analysis. And on top of it, we have insane amount of flow coming in. Ghostboard, our in-house option flow service provider, right away alerted us about unusual option flow. And that gives you an added conviction. The flow needs to be on the same side of the trend. At the same time, SPY is weak, QQQ is weak, so Tesla is not a long. SPY selling off, QQQ selling off, Tesla is under the clouds. Do not long. Do not look for the dips, even when it's bouncing. That's why the traders in my community don't have catastrophic losses. So I've been talking about this Tesla gap fill into the daily gap fill, looking for 235 next short target. Morning short from 250. Once we hit the 235 target, I gave 232 next target. The stops were at 238. It was all the gap fill trade. We were bouncing here, but that was the failed curl. The failed curl is even more dangerous and more bearish. And that's why I keep telling my traders, do not close fully. Roll, roll, roll. When our 235 target hit, I told traders to roll into the 232 puts. If you're short shares, you made, let's say you risked $1,000. You already made 10 grand on your 1,000 shares. You take 1 grand out of it, throw it into the further puts. Throw it into 232 puts. Those 232 puts went from $6 to $18. When I said that roll, they gave you another 200%. Your $1,000 became $3,000. 235 target met. That's how you grow your account exponentially, guys, by following these repeatable strategies, the following the Ripster EMA clouds and all that. And I continuously told my traders, hold the rolls. 232 met, 232 next, keep moving the stops down. And then we cover the 230 rolls, and then our next roll is 225. Roll to 225 with the profit. So that 225, that will be profitable for them tomorrow. Even that went from like $8 to $14. We'll probably hit $20 tomorrow. So that was the trade, guys, that you have to roll those freebies further into that 225s. And then I gave 220 target as well. Daily chart, gap fill, VIX, high, SPY, weak, QQQ, weak, whole in market, weak, option flow heavy. This makes an A plus short, 512 clouds holding all day. Please do not buy such charts on the dip. When it's time to long Tesla, we will long. We'll see what it does tomorrow. The levels I'm looking at is 210. But if it reclaims 220, this gap fill area, then you can use this gap low as your support. Not sure about the swing trade yet. 1 hour is still bearish. We'll watch that. But for the long trade, look at these levels, 210s, 220s, 200. And if it breaks 200, do not touch it. Do not touch it. If you're trying to buy it long term, your stop should be at 199, 199, 200. And if that bounce doesn't come, then it's going to go much lower. Eventually, Tesla will do the uptrend. Right now, it's a bearish trend. Learn about how the trend works. I have a complete list called Tesla Trade for Living that you can watch and learn. So anyways, that was Tesla uptrend, Tesla downtrend. And now we're coming to this support zone. Definitely, there will be a lot of buyers here. Definitely, there's a chance of a reversal here. But you need to watch your risk. If it pushes towards 210, we'll try to buy it. And if it pushes towards 200, that will be our stop. So hopefully it flushes more and then the buyers come in. But remember, nothing is too low. Nothing is oversold. Always manage your risk. Always have a plan. Always have a stop.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.